All right, so if you're watching this video, you are ready to assemble your box to take your embossed pieces and attach them with brads. So before you begin, you need to have 6 4-inch by 4-inch squares. I believe I passed them out to everybody. One side's white, one side's black. If you don't have them, come find me. And then you need metal tape, not masking tape, and you need 8 pieces of them. They're gonna be in this little blue container. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so the reason we use metal tape is when you're putting your embossed pieces together, there may be a little bit of like the mat board sticking out on the outside. So we use the metal tape so it'll blend in with your metal embossed pieces. All right, so a couple things. If you want the inside of your box to be white, you want to put the white side down. If you want black to be on the inside, you're going to put that down. So you've got 6 pieces. One is going to be your lid. Put that aside. So we're going to line this up in like a plus sign piece. Okay, so you want to make sure all the corners are touching. If they're not, come find me and I can get you more pieces. Okay, so it's going to be like this. You're going to take 4 of your pieces of metal tape and you're going to put half of the tape on each side of the pieces of mat board. Okay, the hardest part of this is getting this piece of tape disattached from the paper side. So I already went ahead and did that so you wouldn't have to watch me struggle the whole time. So I feel like the easiest part is to pick one up, put like half of it down and smooth it down like that. And then I'm going to pull this back a little bit so I can see that they're completely touching. Smooth it over and you're good. There's a little piece hanging off. Excuse me. You can just kind of trim it off and you're good. So you're going to keep going around, putting half of the tape on one side, making sure that it fits together, smooth it down, and you're just going to kind of keep going around. One more. Okay, so it should look something like this. So this is the inside of my box. So I'm not going to see any of that metal tape. Then what you do is you're going to kind of rock. I just gently push them up because these are going to be the walls of your box. So I'm just kind of bouncing them. Don't want to be too crazy on the tape. Bring them up. And now you've got your box. But if you let go, it's not together. So that's where you need 4 more pieces of tape. So same kind of thing. You're going to take one of your pieces of tape. You're going to put half of it down. And then I like to hold the sides like this so I can actually see that they're lining up. And then I just kind of smooth over your tape. So see how you don't see any gaps? If you see gaps, that means you had it not close enough together. So again, I'm going to put half on here. Like this. Pull the tape back a little bit so you can see what you're doing. Make sure they're touching. Smooth it over. And I'm going pretty fast with this because I've done this hundreds of times. But now I've got this last one. So just kind of take your time. You can see it doesn't take that long. Line them up. Smooth it over. And then for time's sake, let's see if I can do this here. I forgot to take apart one piece of tape here. Always when I'm doing a demo, takes forever. Ooh, there we go. All right. So same thing. Put half down. Make sure they're lined up. Smooth it over. Now you get your box. So now it's black inside. It looks really clean and crisp. The bottom is sealed with metal tape. The corners are sealed. And now you are ready to attach your brads.